Welcome to RANsquawk's e-morning briefing for Monday, the 8th of March of 2010. In terms of the Asian session, we did see some decent gains in Japan. The Nikkei did close up around 2.1%, a 6-week closing high there. Some of that was down to a predominantly weaker yen, which helped some of the exporter stocks, but also as well, in terms of commentary, we have seen some attention paid to some comments out of China, where the Chinese central bank chief of the weekend laid the groundwork for the appreciation of the yuan when he described the current dollar peg as just temporary. We have seen some dollar weakness this morning, which has aided the likes of commodity prices, with WTI trading up over $80 and spot gold also in positive territory. That's helped to lead to a minor positive open in terms of the European equities, as well as some of the risk back on, given the gains seen overnight in the Nikkei. In terms of that actual piece in regards to China possibly scrapping the dollar peg, we have had an official top state banker come out and say that any speculation that China might be stopping the dollar in the next few years is an absolute nonsense in regards to that report. But as mentioned, we have paired slightly, but we're still down around 0.25% for the dollar index. In terms of other notable news flow, latest in the Wall Street Journal in their NABE survey suggests that business economists expect the Fed to raise the benchmark interest rate within 6 months by between 1/4 to 0.5 percentage points going forward. And elsewhere, in terms of other news, the latest out of Greece has had the central banker there, Provopoulos, again say that they're not looking for any outside help in regards to financing, and relatively decent backing coming out of Francis Sarkozy at the weekend, who was saying that they would, EU members, meet their obligations in terms of helping to aid Greece, and saying that some of the recent worries over Greece has been down to pure speculation or speculators in terms of actual trades. In tandem then with those comments, we have seen a bit of tightening in terms of the 10-year Greek Bund spread, as well as a fall from the settlement on Friday in the credit default swaps on the 5-year for Greece. In terms of the actual calendar though for today, it is very quiet indeed. There's no major economic releases from the US, and just as we head towards 11 o'clock in London, we'll be looking out for the release of the latest in German industrial production figures.